Freak shakes have been quite in trend this year, so I didn't want to feel left behind. So I've created a white chocolate and strawberry Unicorn Freakshake for you today. We'll start by turning on the heat and place about a cup of milk into your pan. To that, add about 70 to 80 grams of white chocolate. And I'm going to give the milk a stir with my whisk. Now I'm going to add a little bit of strawberry pulp. You should get a light pink hue thanks to the strawberries. So I've got the light pink that I want and my white chocolate's melted, so I'm going to switch off the heat. And I'm going to pour it into my mason jar. So I've already dipped my glass in white chocolate and covered it in chocolate sprinkles. And this just adds to the freakiness of my unicorn shake. I'm going to ladle my hot chocolate into my jar. So now I'm going to pipe some cream over it. It's whipped cream and I've added some blue color to it as well. You can go as high up as you would like. And now I'm going to garnish it. This is my favorite thing about freak shakes. There are no rules, no boundaries, and no measurements. You can do whatever it is that you like. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to India Food Network.